Hello everyone, today we are gonna solve one of the most annoying problems in Microsoft Flight Sim 2024, which is related to this panel of properties being showed in cockpit camera, in external camera, during walk around, in every single phase of our flight. It's really annoying because maybe you want to take a screenshot of Flight Simulator of a particular moment of your flight, for example, of these jetways flying over the airport or something like that, and you always have this stupid information about engines, airspeed, altitude, a lot of things that you can just read on your screens if you're flying an airliner, or you can just feel, or maybe you can just monitor them on a secondary screen, or maybe just in a secondary window. So if you want to remove this useless, let me say that, interface, you just need to go to your settings, to go to flight interface, and to disable some of these options. For example, if you want to disable the information about engines, altitude, vertical speed in cockpit view, you need to disable this option, HUD in cockpit view. I don't know the acronym of HUD, but you just need to disable it, so trust me, and you will see it works. It works really good. This option is, I think, the best option of the entire simulator. Then you can also decide to disable the tooltips for your instruments, because maybe you are a professional user, a professional virtual flyer, and you don't need a small description, you don't need the name of the APU, for example. If you want to disable them, just use these arrows to go from instant to off, and then by just clicking save and back and then resume, you will be really happy to see that all your indications have now disappeared. There's still this light blue marking for instruments when you select them. Let me disable it too, because I consider it annoying as the small description. I think I just need to select Cockpit Interaction System Legacy and then save and back, resume. Let me check. Okay, perfect. Now we don't have that light blue marking for the selected instrument. Okay, now our instrument and in general our view is much cleaner, and I'm really happy. But if you want to disable also the point of interests, you still need to go to settings and then to flight interface and to disable POIs, points of interest. Okay, save and back, resume, and now you can still see them. Why? Flight interface. Okay, maybe you need to disable landmark markers, city markers, airport markers. I don't know what pre-flight pings is. Okay, so this is related to the walk around mode, and the pins are that blue dots that appear while in walk around mode to suggest you what to do, what to remove, for example, the pitot cover tubes and stuff like that. So save and back, resume. Okay, we finally have a minimal and clean interface for our flight simulator in external mode, but also in cockpit mode. Finally, if you want to remove this interface in external view too, you need to disable this option, HUD in external view, you can switch between full, off, and minimal. Let me set off, save and back, and now we have a much more realistic interface for our simulator. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if this tutorial has been useful, and see you the next time. Bye bye.